Join your hands, close your eyes, and bow your head. Dear God, thank you for a new day. Help me to be kind and good. God bless me, my family, my friends, my teachers, and everyone. Amen. Very good. Well done. Well tried, Shirin. Well tried. Very good. Okay. So that's all right. That's all right. Okay. Very nice, Shirin. Okay, so we'll start the class by singing hello song, okay? Hello to you, hello to you, hello everybody, hello to you. One more time. Can you hear me? Yes, one more time. Hello to you, hello to you, hello everybody, hello to you. Very good, well done Shirin, well done. Very good. Okay, so Shirin's mom, can you hear me properly? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I would like to show you our classroom. Okay, let's start from the door first. Okay, can you see the door?
क्लास में गए थे ना
Here.
Okay. अच्छा मैं आपके लिए चेयर लाई आपके लिए
All right. Okay, that's all right, Shirin. That's all right. Okay, so we'll move on here. This is our board this side, okay? And this is again one more board that we have here. And this is our wall. Can you all see the wall? Yes? Okay. And then this is ma'am's cupboard. And these are your pigeonhole. When you come, you are going to put your belongings here. Okay, and this is the mirror where we are going to put lots and lots of water animals, okay? All right, children. I think that's it. Okay. Okay, so that was our classroom tour. Okay, so when you will come here, when after everything is over and then when you will come, that time you will see, okay? All right. All, I want to show you something. Acha, who will tell me what is this? What is this? Can someone tell me what is this? What is this?
मैम को देखो
What is this?
ये बताओ what is this?
What is it? Can somebody tell me what is this? Yes. Yes, Manvik, it's tortoise, right? It's tortoise, okay? Turtle. And tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? Yes, that's right, Manvik. It's octopus. Octopus, that's right. Okay, one more. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? What is this, Shirin? Dolphin. Yes, dolphin. Yes. Okay. So, Mr. Dolphin is saying hi. Hello. Can everybody say hi to Mr. Dolphin? Can everybody say hi? Hi, Mr. Dolphin. And now here, can you say hi to Mr. Octopus? Hi, Mr. Octopus. Hi, Mr. Octopus. Hello. And now can you say hi to Mr. Turtle? Hi, Mr. Turtle. Hi, Mr. Turtle. Very good. Okay, so these all are water animals. ये क्या है? Water animals है और ये पानी में रहता है. They live in the water. Okay, ये water के बिना नहीं रह सकते. Water के बिना they will die. वो मर जाएंगे. तो इस वजह से इनको हम कहते हैं water animals. और आप लोगों को भी ये बनाना है. Okay? So you will make this water animals at home, okay? You will make this water animal at home. Okay, so you have to make this water animals at home, okay? All right, children? Okay. So now I want to, let's hear a song, okay?
Yes.
Let's hear a song. Everybody can also sing along with me.
Baby shark.
Poem.
हाँ
मेरी बात तुमको
ये सुनिए ना
हेलो
Baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. We did run away, run away. Safe and lost it, safe and lost it, safe and lost it, safe and lost. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end. Yay! Give up applause, everyone. Yay! Very nice. Did you like it? Did you like it? Yes. So now we will say one Hindi rhyme. Okay? That is मछली जल की रानी है. I think everybody knows that. Yes. मछली जल की रानी है. Then what comes? जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी. बाहर निकालो मर
जाएगी
वेरी गुड. मछली जल की रानी है. जीवन उसका पानी है. लगाओ डर जाएगी. बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. Very good, very good. So try learning these two rhymes, okay? Baby shark and मछली जल की रानी है. Okay, so I will show you few more pictures. All right, children, we are going to watch few more pictures and then you have to tell me what is this. Okay, you have to tell me what this picture is. Okay,
crab,
dolphin,
fish, jellyfish, the octopus,
can you all see the crab?
seal, sunfish,
Can you
turtle.
see it?
What is this? A crab.
Then It's a crab. मैंने बस को ज्वाइन कर पर उसका आ नहीं रहा है. Probably they are in. The crab. Okay. Everybody say hi, Mr. Crab. Everybody say hi, Mr. Crab. Hi, Mr. Crab. Okay. Now another picture. I'll show you another picture. And that is. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. It's a water animal. Everybody say hi, Mr. Dolphin. Hi, Mr. Dolphin. Okay, one more. Okay, I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more. You tell me what. Okay, I think everybody knows this. सबको पता होगा ये. What is this? What is this? It's a fish. Everybody say hi, Mr. Fish. Hi, Mr. Fish. Okay, this also lives inside the water. All right. And now I'll show you one more picture. Okay, children? And this is a very nice animal. See? Wow, what is this? What is this? It's a jellyfish. Everybody say hi, jellyfish. Hi, jellyfish. This jellyfish also lives inside the water. Jellyfish भी water के अंदर रहता है. Okay? Okay? Okay, I think everybody knows this. Who can tell me what is this? Who can tell me what is this? It's an. What is it?
Octopus.
Good morning. It is an octopus. Very good. Well done. Everybody say hi to octopus. Hi, octopus. Okay. So another picture. I'll show you another picture, and that is. Wow! It's a seahorse. Can you all see seahorse? Yes. Yes. Seahorse. This also lives inside the water. This is also a very beautiful creature, and this also lives inside the water. Okay. All right. Few more pictures to go, children. Okay. Here we go. Tell me, which animal is this? Which animal is this? It's a seal. It's a seal, and this also lives inside the water. Okay. And sometimes it often comes into the land, but it has to live inside the water to survive. Okay. Everybody say hi to Mr. Seal. Hi, Mr. Seal. Okay, so now let's move on to another picture. That is starfish. Wow, it's a starfish. Okay, this also lives inside the water. It is also a very beautiful creature. All right. Few more pictures. Okay, and it's a turtle. I think you already saw turtle here as well with ma'am. Yes? Yes? Okay, it's the same that ma'am also has. It's turtle. Okay, it's a turtle. All right. Now I think we have one last picture, and that is it's a whale. It's a big whale. Okay, whale is the largest animal in the world. और वो क्या होता है? That lives inside the water. वो पानी के अंदर रहता है, and it is the largest animal in the world. Okay. All right. Okay. So children, these are the water animals. Okay. So you also need to learn about these water animals. Okay. And then you also need to recognize their names. Okay. So make sure that you are looking at the pictures and recognizing their names. Okay. All right, children. Now, everybody, if you have this rhymes and songs book, if you have this book, there is a rhyme in page number 32. Page number 32. Okay. If you have this book, Rhymes and Songs, Preschool Rhymes and Songs, there is a song in page number 32. Everybody, you can just see and mark today's date here, 27/20, okay? 20th July 20, okay? So you have to read from this page, that is page number 32. Okay, so we will sing along. All right, children, we will sing along. Okay. Page number 32. We will sing with them, okay? Three little fish. Three little fish. See how they swim. See how they swim. Round and round, and fast they go. Now they are going very slow. Three little fish. Three little fish.
Little fish, three little fish. See how they swim, see how they swim. Round and fast they go. Now they're going very slow. Three little fish, three little fish. See how they, three little.
We'll do it one more time.
Three little fish, three little fish. See how they swim, see how they swim. Round and fast they go. Now they're going very slow. Three little fish, three little fish.
We'll do it one more time.
Three little fish, three little fish. See how they swim, see how they swim. Round and fast they go. Now they're going very slow. Three little fish, three little fish.
Very good, children. Well done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, children. Okay, so now you have to learn this song. Okay, Three Little Fish. Okay, now you can also sing it after me. Okay, three little fish, three little fish. See how they swim, see how they swim. Round and fast they go, round and fast they go. Now they're going very slow, now they're going very slow. Three little fish, three little fish. Okay, very good. Well done, children. Well done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And one more time, these are the puppets. Okay, Yuvraj was not here when we showed this puppet. Yes. Hi. Hi. Hi, Yuvraj. Say hi to Mr. Turtle.
Hi,
Hi, Mr. Turtle.
Hi, Turtle.
Hi to Mr. Dolphin.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Dolphin.
Dolphin fish.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Hi, Mr. Octopus.
जोर से बोलो.
Hi, octopus.
Octopus.
Very good. Okay. I would be sending you the printouts. Okay, I would be sending you the printables sheet. Okay, so you can print it out and color yourself and stick it on the ice cream stick and make small puppets like this. Okay, so there are going to be a lot of pictures, lot of sea animals, but it is your choice if you want to make 3, if you want to make 5, if you want to make 1 or 2. That is up to you. Okay, so I'll give you this word so you can do it at home and show me later. Okay, children. All right. I think that's about it today. That's about it. Thank you so much, children, for coming today. Thank you so much for listening to Susanna ma'am. Okay, so I will see you guys soon again. Let's sing the song Goodbye song. Okay, goodbye song.
Goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye
दोनों hands.
to you. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you real soon.
ऐसे बोलना.
Bye, children. Say bye to ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
जोर से बोलो.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Bye.